So, here you go. Perfect. Ganyan lang kasimple guys ang aking breakfast. Pair with a black coffee and milk. Minsan, ginagawa ko yung parang bubble na milk. But, dahil ano na sa oras, so, coffee and milk na lang. So, ayan na siya. Perfect sandwich. Pwede siyang lagyan ng tomato din and lettuce. But wala kaming tomatoes, guys. Kaya itlog na lang and peanut butter. So here's my coffee. Black coffee lang siya, guys. Then a teaspoon of granule coffee. Then I will add fresh milk on it.